This question is actually quite a much quicker question than some of the other questions, as long as you know the right answer. So for any of these, I would quickly go through. This is the only thing to be aware of is this is a which is not correct for ultrasound and X-rays. So we've got two different types of wave, ultrasound waves and X-rays. You need to know, so the thing you're being tested on is whether or not you understand that ultrasound are longitudinal waves and X-rays are transverse waves. So there's a difference there. There's a difference between the two. They're both waves, so they'll both have properties that waves have, but then you need to be aware of that the thing that discriminates them, so how they are different. So the first statement can be refracted. Yes, all waves can be refracted. No question about that. That's fine. That's true for both of them. Both can be diffracted. Yes, both can be diffracted. So the refraction part is any change of medium. So for X-rays, it might be going from one medium to another, such as into glass. For ultrasound, could be glass as well. Could be going from air to glass. It changes speed, then you will get refraction. Diffraction, going through a gap. So if you've got a gap within a material, so for ultrasound, you may have gaps between of a reasonable physical size where you're actually looking at the physical dimensions of an object. That might work. You'll get diffraction of X-rays through crystals. So diffraction can happen to both of them. They're both waves. All waves can be diffracted. Both be polarized, and this is the one that stands out because longitudinal waves cannot be polarized. Only transverse waves can be polarized, so that is not true for both of them. So it's definitely that one, but we'll look at D anyway. Both be reflected. Yes, X-rays and ultrasound can both be reflected. So clear incorrect statement is that they can both be polarized. So you're being tested on whether or not you know that ultrasound waves are longitudinal, you know that X-rays are transverse, and you know that longitudinal waves cannot be polarized, whereas transverse waves can.